the benefits of a Chromebook. You've got the native Android and the Google connectivity using the Android Play Store. Types of consumers that use Chromebooks. What kind of consumers are we thinking of? Students, the types that would be not necessarily looking for the performance or the specs of a laptop, but looking for the functionality of one. So if you look at the Galaxy Chromebook here, you're going to have the full chassis that's built from a Samsung perspective. Very quality, good metal, glass materials, but it has flexible opportunity as well. It has full pen support, not S Pen, pen support, so that you can actually go in here and use it to write notes. You can't use it for any remote capabilities like an S Pen would have, but it does have the ability to write notes and to be able to document things. So from here, the Chromebook comes in the red option here as well as the silver option. The display is 13.3 inches and it's a 9-hour battery life. So there's your writing notes.
And it has pressure sensitivity.
It is, yes. It's very good. It's the same experience you would find on the Galaxy Note 10. My handwriting is just as bad on that as it is on this. So, yeah, I mean, it's when you think about who would be using this, right? You made a great point. So the Galaxy, like the Chromebooks, you would get them on Black Friday, $200, whatever. This is not that kind of deal, but we want to make sure that we give that option available to people who want the same abilities of a Chromebook. They want to have that same, the ability to go to class, write notes. They can open up a PDF and be able to write notes on that while they're taking notes on the memo or the lecture that's being taken. All of that functionality, but in a premium design. It's really quality design, a quality battery, a quality processor. The Chromebooks, think about the problems that happen with Chromebooks right now. You've got all these memory issues where you start to load it up with stuff and then it starts to slow it down. This, you're going to have a lot more you're going to have a lot more leeway with how much you put onto it, how much you have available to it before you start to notice any sort of lag or latency with the device itself.
Oh, I'm sorry, what did you say was the capacity for that?
256 gigs internal.
And in terms of battery life, what are you guys touting?
9 hours, yeah.
And being Chrome, this does support Android apps,
yes,
right?
Correct. Very, very good. Yeah, Android apps are on there, so you would be able to have the Microsoft suite of apps from the Android Play Store.